Let's see you eating guacamole. You like the guacamole? Holy moly, guacamole! Lisi, you like the guacamole, don't you? Looks like baby food, alright.
It's stuck on the underside of the spoon. I'm trying to get her to lick.
Got your tongue working? Lisi Joe. Lisi. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at you. Lisi. Look at that little face. You look like you have a little mustache, a little goatee. Guacamole goatee.
Whoops.
Nom 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 nom. She loves guacamole. Where's the margaritas? I want some nachos.